Hey babes, welcome back to Jveauty. Today I will show you guys how I achieved this look. I love it. The colors are just so beautiful. If you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep watching. So let's get started. First, I am using my palette, Tropical. We are using browns, red, orange, and yellows. Start my look. So I'm using my brown. We're using Tequila Sunrise. So we are still blending. I think the hardest part about makeup looks and this kind of colors, it's the whole blending. You just gotta blend, 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 blend. Like the name here. Like this is Tequila Sunrise. And then I'm going in with Sex on the Beach. We're going in now with Lava Flow. I'm just going back and forth with what I've used. So the brown, Tequila Sunrise, and back with the red. You just gotta blend, 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 blend. Still using Lava Flow. We're gonna make the red a little bit darker and higher. To cut the crease, we are using the e.l.f. shade Fair Warm. So we are just cutting the crease to add the yellow. We're gonna set it with Sunbeam. Like those two. And now, since we already set the color, it's all about just playing with the blending. So we go back with the Lava Flow, the black and the orange. I mean, the red and the orange, just to make it sharper. Now for my eyeliner, my favorite one, Elf. So as of colors, that's pretty much it. It's all about blending, honestly. You can add more red, more orange, more yellow. It's really up to you guys. It's really up to you. And now my eyeliner. So there's the eyeliner. We are using falsies, so this is optional again with my kohl eyeliner for my underneath. And when you use like concealers or whatever, you do get well, I know I do. I get color on my eyelids, so I'm using, no, let's do something else. I'm using Balm Lashes mascara. Not a lot because I'm wearing falsies. Just to go over it a little bit to get the color, the concealer out. And I do want to make this look different, not just plain and simple like that. So I am gonna add some blue. I did get this neon colors of this girl on Facebook. I can't find her, but I really love these. I've been wanting to, well, I've been trying to find her so I can order me some more. They're bomb. Like, she has all these neon colors. Look at this. So cute. Okay, so we are going in with blue. And I'm gonna add it on the bottom. You guys see that? Wow. I'll give him a bottle now before he gets crazy. Okay, like I was saying, adding some blue on the bottom just to make it more fancier. Oh, I like that. Sheen lashes. They're okay. And the number 509. With my favorite lash glue, Kiss. So we're gonna let them get tacky. I'm gonna use some highlight on my inner, like on my teardrop. While we wait on the eyelash, I like just adding and playing and with any details that you feel, you need to go over or add some or blend while we wait for the eyelash. And to finish it with some lashes. And now we apply the falsies. Okay. And these are so cheap. I think I got these for like $2. I will link them in my description. They are really nice. Nothing crazy, just so we don't want to wear crazy eyelashes so it take off like the look. We don't want to use crazy eyelashes so the look, it doesn't take away from the look, if that makes sense. See, when you do just like eyeliner, yeah, go ahead with some crazy eyelashes, but we want the colors to stick out, not the lashes. And for my lips, I am using Live Glam color Let's Flamingo. Well, babes, this is the final look. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.